Sponsored by
launching a blistering attack on Congress over party's aide and advisor Sam Pitroda's remark on inheritance tax, PM Narendra Modi lambasted the grand old party for putting eyes on the wealth of Indian citizens. Addressing a rally in Chhattisgarh, PM Modi hit back at Congress's inheritance tax plan. He emphasized that the Congress party's mantra is Congress ki loot, zindagi ke saath bhi, zindagi ke baad bhi.
अब ये लोग उससे भी एक कदम आगे चले गए हैं। अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी, माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा। यानी कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट, कांग्रेस का मंत्र है कांग्रेस की लूट, जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी।
PM Modi's remark came after chairman of the Indian Overseas Congress and Rahul Gandhi's advisor Sam Pitroda suggested a US-like inheritance tax system should be implemented in India as well. In the US tax system, when a person dies, only 45% of his wealth is transferred to the children, while 55% of the wealth goes to the government.
There is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth, you are leaving now, you must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it.
Congress leaders' remarks outraged several netizens, including PM Modi, who accused the party of overburdening the taxpayers and rampant looting of the citizens. He stated if Congress came to power, the government would first impose higher taxes, and after death, the government would grab more than half of the person's wealth, leaving only a tiny portion with the bereaved family. After Sam Pitroda faced heavy backlash over his remarks, he claimed that his comments had nothing to do with the inheritance tax policies of any party, including Congress. Even the Congress party leaders scrambled to distance themselves from Pitroda's remarks. Congress leader and MP Jairam Ramesh asserted that Pitroda's views do not always reflect the position of the Congress party. Nonetheless, PM Modi continued to rip apart Congress over their inheritance tax policy, saying that Congress party's clause would snatch people's hard-earned money while they are alive and after death as well. After Chhattisgarh, PM Modi again slammed Congress during his rally in Madhya Pradesh, reiterating that the grand old party wants to redistribute the wealth of citizens and introduce a US-like inheritance system in India.